In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and launch a WooCommerce online store with WordPress. We'll start by choosing a suitable WordPress hosting plan and connecting your domain. This is the foundation of your store, so pick a plan that supports WordPress well and offers reliable performance, security, and enough resources for an online shop. Once your hosting is ready, connect your domain so visitors can reach your website using your web address. Next, install WordPress through your hosting account. Most hosting providers make this very simple with a one-click installer. After that, use the website creation tool or setup wizard provided by your host to build the basic version of the site. This gives you a starting structure that you can refine later. Once the initial site is created, open the WordPress admin dashboard. This is where you'll manage your content, settings, appearance, and store features. Spend a moment getting comfortable with the main menu, because nearly everything you need will be managed from here. Now begin customizing the store's header, navigation, logo, and general design. These elements shape the first impression of your brand, so make sure the site feels clear, professional, and easy to use. Keep the navigation simple so customers can find products quickly. After making those changes, preview the website on both desktop and mobile devices. This step is important because many shoppers will visit from their phones. Check that the layout looks clean, text is readable, and buttons are easy to tap. Next, choose and activate a WooCommerce compatible theme. A compatible theme helps your store pages display properly and gives you a better starting point for product listings, cart pages, and checkout. If you want more page design flexibility, install Elementor as well. This can be useful when you want extra control over layouts and visual styling. Then install and activate WooCommerce. This adds the core e-commerce functionality your site needs. Once it's active, start adding your first products, including descriptions, prices, images, and inventory details. Be clear and accurate here, since strong product pages help customers feel confident about buying. After that, organize your products into categories. Good categories make the store easier to browse and improve the shopping experience. Now configure the essential store settings, including your location, currency, taxes, shipping, payments, and email settings. These options affect how the store operates behind the scenes, so review them carefully. Before going live, test the storefront and checkout from a customer's perspective. Make sure products display correctly, the cart works, and checkout feels smooth. Finally, correct any problems you find and then launch your online store. Once everything is working properly, your WooCommerce shop is ready for customers.